Let's change the cabin air filter on this 8th gen Honda Civic. So first step is to open the glove box. Second step is to just press inwards on the outside walls of the glove box, and it will release the glove box down further. Now we can see the cabin air filter frame. There are 2 tabs on the cabin air filter frame. Just press in on the tabs to release the frame and pull out the cabin air filter frame. Let's get rid of that old nasty air filter. Your new cabin air filter will have an arrow on it indicating the direction of airflow. Here it says airflow pointing down. You want the filter to be installed so that the airflow is pointing down. So place the new air filter into your frame with the arrow pointing downwards. Now just insert the frame back into the slot until it snaps in. Next is to just raise your glove box back into position. Press on those outside walls again. And that's it. Close your glove box and you're good to go. If this video helped you all out, give me a thumbs up and follow for more useful tips. Thanks.